Hi there! In this final video, we'll talk about an incredibly exciting method that will help you save a lot of money, currently being given away to marketplaces and food delivery aggregators. Every establishment owner dreams of cutting these expenses and converting the anonymous sales channel of intermediaries into their own. And 7stamp has the most effective solution for this. In our admin panel, you will find a unique tool called Promotional Delivery Inserts, or Delivery Inserts. What is it and how does it work? You simply generate them in the system, print out small, attractive flyers or stickers, and place one such card into every order bag that goes out for delivery. When the buyer opens their order, they see an appealing offer and scan the QR code on the card. At that exact moment, your digital loyalty card instantly flies into the customer's Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. What's more, they are automatically credited with a predetermined number of welcome stamps right then and there. The logic of the process is exactly the same as with the automatic printing of QR codes on receipts at the venue. It is worth highlighting that all of these QR codes are completely unique and single-use, so nobody will be able to trick the system and stack up stamps for years to come. They are designed specifically to engage the customer in direct interaction with you. Usually during this first scan, digital coupons or vouchers for the next order are issued to the customer as a gift. Motivated by the bonus, the buyer places their next order directly with you or visits the venue, and the cashier easily redeems this voucher at the poster register using the techniques we broke down in detail in the previous videos. Stop paying huge percentages to third-party platforms. Build your own contact database, bring guests back with free push notifications, save on commissions, and earn significantly more on every single dish with 7stamp and poster. Thank you for watching our educational video series. Subscribe to the channel, set up your automation, and grow your business to its full potential. Wishing you massive sales, and see you next time.